Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my cooking YouTube videos. So tonight we're going to be making Escovitched fish. That's right, I got my Escovitched fish right here. I have my seasoning. Alright, so we're gonna be seasoning our fish right now. I did use a paper towel and I dry all of the water from off of it, because you know we're going to be frying it, so we want it to be well dry for when we drop it in the hot oil. Okay, so we're seasoning, putting some seasoning on all of our fish right now. Yes, well, nice. I could have go ahead, alright, so I decided to season the fish on camera because I want you guys to see exactly everything that I'm doing. So I decided to season the fish on camera instead of off camera, because you do have a lot of people who want to see every little details, and I'm alright with that, but the season that I have right now is I have black pepper, I have pimento seed, I have some let me see, this season, do you remember fully the season, other season? Well, I know all of them was from Jamaica. I have Maggi season, all purpose. The other season wasn't fish, it was just regular meat seasoning, I'll say. Alright, so I want my season to be my fish, I want my fish to have enough seasoning, being the fact that I didn't prep the fish from before. I am just now doing so therefore I want to make sure that it's well seasoned. The color is not too white. Alright. The little white parts over here. Alright. So everything has seasonings on it now. Let me wash my hands inside of the oil. Listen, you're not trying to get bun, So, bun no sweet, bun hot. Get this fish inside the pot. Whoa, get bun. Alright, so let's turn our fish. So we can get them nice and crispy on each side. Let's turn on the stove so we can have the oil hot over here for our Escovitched. By the way, guys, please don't forget, and also if you're new to my channel, check out my Lady Beecher scented candle. This scent is actually called Blooming Ginger. It's perfect for the kitchen if you're cooking, and this is actually the best thing right here. If you're cooking fish in your kitchen, ginger and cinnamon is something that helps you take out the scent. You just go ahead and lit one of these beautiful candles. There you go. Ooh, there you go. Alright, so don't forget to check out my Lady Beecher candle website, www.ladybeechercandles.com. Right now we have 15% going on your total order, so you just put in soy 25 at the checkout and good to go. Alright, so our oil is hot right now and ready to throw our onions, We have some yellow bell pepper. We have some cut up carrots here. We have some red bell pepper and some green one. We do have some scotch bonnet pepper, but I don't play around with pepper and the spicy food, so we're gonna put that in last. Whoa. Alright. My oil was already inside the pot, so it's already heated. I just now throw everything in. Alright. So what we're doing now, I'm mixing the vegetable in the pot evenly so the oil can be all over it and fried. Then I am going to pour vinegar on top of it. Pretty much the vinegar gives it that taste that when you eat escovitch, it helps you cook it down and you bring that taste on it. So you get that flavor. And then we're going to cover it up so the steam can soften the vegetable and cook it how we want it to be. Alright, so fish is not something that takes too long to cook and fry because the texture is really soft. So that's going to be the last turning around for that. Here we have the vinegar I'm going to be using. Yes. Before I pour that again, let me mix it up one more time. You know, something just ran in my mind. I know you guys probably wondering why I haven't used any salt. My seasoning have enough flavor in it, so I really don't see a reason to use salt. I don't like my food to be too salty. I'm trying to stay on the healthy side. So that's the reason why you don't see me using any salt, because I don't need it. My seasonings have a lot of flavor in them already. Alright, so let's pour the vinegar. That should be enough. Let's mix it up again. Let's cover this. Here we have the butter, Country Crock butter. I'm gonna put some butter in there for some flavor. We'll count a little bit. Alright, let's mix this up. Let's turn down our stove between 5 and 6 so we don't burn the fish. That's it. 6. Put our stuff away. Alright, so I did have some seasoning left over from before. As I said, it was black pepper, some regular meat seasoning, pimento seed, and Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just going to pour that inside my vegetable. Mix that around in there before I take them out. And flip this one back over. I'm gonna tip some more seasoning inside of my escovitch. This is pretty much what the escovitch is. This that's in the pot, the vegetable that's being steamed. Let's mix that up. Listen, island people love them food, love flavor, you know. And them love spicy foods, but don't pay me no mind because me not have no spice right now. Me season have some spice in it already. It can be there right over there, so me know on the product I say, oh, she not have no scotch bonnet, trust me. Me know where it tastes like with scotch bonnet and everything already. Stove, let me take out our fried fish. Let's turn this down now to between 3 and 4. Turn my escovitch down between 3 and 4. Let these ones fry a little bit more. Let's fry this one some more. That one right here doesn't have the color that I'm looking for yet, so let's get a little bit more color before I turn that off. Alright. So good. So what's going on, guys? Let's have some chit chat. Let's see what's going on in your life. Hope everything is going good this holiday or this Christmas for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube video. And check out my Lady Beecher scented candle. They're amazing. Also, you can drop below in the comment section about whatever you want to see me cook next, ideas, because of course, you know, I do love your ideas, whatever you come up with, and to tell me what you want to see me do next, because I mean, I'm not a pro, I'm not a professional, but I can do my thing. And my Facebook business page is Lady Beecher Candles. You can find me on Facebook as well. Let's shift this over towards the back. We're gonna try burn up myself in here tonight. For which holiday? Not this holiday, I'm gonna burn up myself, mama. Burn up by which at aisle? Y'all mad? Alright. Alright. This is pretty much cooked right now, so we can go ahead and turn it off. You see? Nothing righteous honestly don't take long to cook. Fish are easy thing. It could be an easy thing. Right there, so boom bam bam. Less than what? 30 minutes or 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and it done. Finish. Alright, so my escovitch fish is finished, and this is the finishing result. Like, come on, look at this. So good, let's try it out. You see the Escovitched Scotch bonnet pepper on top. Guys, listen, I did my thing, okay? I did my thing, and you can do your thing too by just following the simple steps that I explained to you guys here in this video. So, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends and family, and to check out my business page and social media. I will list everything down below. One more look. One more look for you. Alright, y'all. So that's it for tonight. Have a wonderful night, everyone, and a good day whenever you're watching this video, and stay tuned for whatever else you want. Listen, me don't know about Uno, but me know about me. Right now, me hungry, and me about to go jump in at this right now. So see y'all next time. Good night.